If you want to learn how to type in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to add text in Photopea, whether you want to create a simple title, a short caption, or a full text box for a design. I'll also show you how to change the font, size, color, and alignment so your text looks exactly the way you want it to. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photopea and make sure your project or canvas is already open. To start typing, you need to select the Type tool from the left-hand toolbar. It looks like a big T icon and you can click it directly. If you want a faster way, just press the letter T on your keyboard and Photopea will switch to the Type tool instantly. Once the Type tool is active, you can begin adding text to your canvas. Now, Photopea gives you two different typing modes, and knowing the difference between them is really important. The first is point text. This is best for short text like titles, labels, or single line words. To use it, simply click once anywhere on the canvas and start typing. As you type, the text will keep extending in a straight line. The second mode is paragraph text. This is better for longer blocks of text, like descriptions or text that needs to wrap nicely. To create this, click and drag on the canvas to draw a text box first. Then start typing inside that box, and your text will automatically stay inside the boundary and wrap onto new lines. This is really useful if you're making posters, thumbnails, social graphics, or any design where text needs to fit neatly into a specific area. After you've started typing, you can customize the look of your text using the top options bar. This is where Photopea gives you a lot of control. If you want to change the font, click the font drop-down menu and browse through the available fonts. You can search through hundreds of free fonts, and if you want to upload your own font, you can even use the load font option at the bottom. Next, you can adjust the size. You can type in a pixel value directly for precise control, or use the slider if you want to make it bigger or smaller more quickly. If the text doesn't look quite right yet, don't worry, because you can also change the color. Just click the color square in the top toolbar and choose any shade you want. That makes it easy to match your brand colors, your design style, or whatever look you're going for. You can also change the alignment of your text. Photopea lets you align it to the left, center, or right, depending on how you want it positioned on the page. This is especially helpful when you're building clean layouts or trying to keep everything visually balanced. Once you've typed your text and finished making adjustments, you need to confirm it so Photopea applies the changes. To do that, press Command and Enter on a Mac or Control and Enter on Windows. You can also click the checkmark icon in the top options bar. This final step locks in your text and makes sure your changes are saved to the document properly. And that's really all there is to it. Now you know how to type in Photopea, how to choose between point text and paragraph text, and how to customize your text so it looks professional. Once you get comfortable with this, adding text in Photopea becomes quick and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photopea tutorials and beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.